This is Pioneer's DEH-S1200UB. This is an in-dash, 1-DIN AM/FM CD receiver with USB and auxiliary input. The DEH-S1200UB is designed to work with your Android phone and Pioneer's ARC app. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. The DEH-S1200UB includes a wireless remote control. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, let's pop this open here. All right, the first thing we get is the wire harness. So this is the electrical wire harness, and we'll make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle through this. Connections like power and ground and speaker connections, that sort of thing, all happen through this. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools and some install screws. There's a bag of screws. Next up, we have the wireless remote control included in the box. There's the wireless remote. All right, so let's open up the flap here. And under the flap, we have, here is the quick start guide. And please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com. All right, and then we have the warranty card. There's the warranty card. Okay, so let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the DEH-S1200UB has a large rotary volume knob here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. The CD slot is across the top. The radio station presets are here across the bottom. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the DEH-S1200UB, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer DEH-S1200UB has a built-in amplifier designed to operate up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. And here is one set of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers, for full range or subwoofer output. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S1200UB. And what's in the box?